Okay, so we are finished. I am getting ripped. Yeah, let's go. It's so cool. There's this treadmill. I can run on it all day. Do pull-ups. I can lift weights. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to build a mini gym for your home, so it's going to be personal and you can work out. So here we get started. We'll turn this way, and our first step is, let's move this out of the way, and our first step is to get our pieces or ingredients, as we can call it. So first what you'll need is 4 of these blocks with a stub on the side. And if I am not working with any specific colors today, so if you want it to look more like an actual treadmill, you can use all gray pieces. If it was all gray, these would all be gray. So get 2 on one side, 2 on the other side, with one of these plates with a stub on top right there, and build it. Okay, so once you got your pieces, I guess you start building. So once you have these 2 like this, I think you can see where I'm going with it. You put this on top and you just click them together. You do the same with the others. Once you are done putting them together, you take it and put them back to back where they cannot connect. And then flip them over so they are back to back and on their stubs. Make sure they are tightly fitting like this. And then take your other piece and connect them across. Oops. Like this. You will now have your first part of the treadmill finished until later. So push it aside and let's get started with the other part. So the first part that you'll need for the second part of the treadmill will be these 2 pieces. You'll need a 2x4 and a 2x4, or if you have a 4x4 plate, you may use that too. So you put them together as so, and after you got that finished, you will you flip them over and put a 2x2 plate underneath. Now, if you are building as a specific color, such as gray, these would be gray also, just as this. After this, you will take a 2x2 black plate as a part of the running treadmill and make sure that it's black, so it looks, or dark gray, so it looks like an actual part where you run on, like the belt. And after that, you add another 1x4, sorry for that, black thing, and another one that's black or dark gray. Now this is the part that you run on, so make sure that this is all darker than everything else. And if you have a 1x6 plate or 1x6 or anything that will work here, just make sure it's covered right here, you may use that. Now, for the last part of this part of the treadmill, you will need a 1x4 white plate to cover up the extra part, and do the same on the other side. If you are doing a organized color treadmill, like all gray or a specific color, then this part will be gray, just like the other parts. Now we are finished with both of these. Let's move on to the last section. Now for the last section, you will need 1x1 blocks with little stubs on them, and you will place them back to back like this as so, and you will get little stubs. And if you are building in all gray, make sure that the rest of the pieces in the rest of the video are all gray, completely all. Now, you pinch it onto here. Sorry about that. And you take this and pinch this onto here. Now, when you have that finished, you can put them back to back again and take a 2x1 plate and put it on top so they will not separate. And underneath it, you may put a 2x1 plate, so just to hold it together so they don't separate also. Now for the last part of this, you will grab a 1x4 flat plate, well, 2 of them actually, and click it onto the little black stubs, or in some cases gray. And after you have both of them on, you just, whoops. Okay, sorry about that. After you have both of them on, you may now bring all the pieces back together, and we will start doing the rest from here. So from here, you will see that we have this on, we have this on. So what you do here is you actually clip this together. So make sure that it is like this, and that this is on this side and that is on that side. And then for the last part of the connecting for the treadmill, you will put this onto the side stubs on the lowest part that you can connect right there. And you connect it like so. Now we are finished with the treadmill. If you built it any colors, that will look fine, but if you were building with all gray, this should have been all gray, and the whole thing should have been gray, and the only thing black should have been this middle part. Well, I don't have all the gray pieces, so I can't do that. I would have, but anyway, let's move on to the next part. Now the recipe or ingredients for Legos in this one would be a 1x2 and a 1x2 plate. Then you would use a 1x2 and another 1x2 brick. And then actually the wheels of a wheelbarrow or anything that has these wheels. And this will be the weight. And what you do with this is you actually just put these aside and stack these together. And on the land where I am standing right now, you put this right here and the other one on the side of it. You may do it wherever you want, just this will be holding the weight. And now we move on to the next part. Now for the last part of the gym, the mini gym, you will use 2x2 brick, and you will stack 4 of them on top of each other as so. Now once you have this finished, you will move it to the side and you will pull out this piece. This is the piece that can click on from the side, so you can put from the top, so you can put stuff on the side of a brick. And with this piece, what you'll do is you'll take a 2x1 flat plate that is white also and place it right on the bottom too. It almost looks like a cow head. So for the next part, you will grab a 2x2 gray plate and a 2x1 white plate. Now what you'll do with these plates is you will take the 2x2 gray plate and put it on the 2x1 white plate, and take the previous item that we made and connect them like this. Now this should look pretty well to fit onto the actual tower of white bricks. Once you have this finished, you will clip on this element. It has a 2x1 base, and it's a plate with the round bar that fits into the hands of other Lego guys and Lego ladies. So you connect it like this, and now we are back to the base with me. You may put this wherever you want, and you can always move it around. I will move it according to how I like it. I feel like the treadmill could stay here. This you can bend this and move this. Sorry guys that it broke. I pressured down on it a lot, which you shouldn't probably do with anything, because it's obviously gonna break if it's Legos. Like if you pressure down on this, it's gonna break. If you pressure down on this, it's gonna break. So make sure not to pressure down on stuff. And you may move this wherever you want. It's up to you. You completely choose where you put it. But this is our mini gym, and this is how it's going to be. So let's get lit and do some workouts. Woo! Okay, so we are finished. I am getting ripped. Yeah, let's go. It's so cool. Here's this treadmill. I can run on it all day. Did pull-ups. I can lift weights. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment what you like in the next video. Thank you.